Hello everybody, so today I will talk about financial management and I will show the technique how to answer this question in here. First, we need to analyze about equity and debt. So we need to find equity and debt in here. According to the information, we have 2 million shares. Each share we have 25 euros. So the equity in here is about 25 multiplied with 2 million. And you got about 50 million euro in here. I put about E is about euro in here. About that, we will have the formula. So you got about 92% multiplied with 10 million euros, and you will got about the total debt in here. And that should be about 9.2 million euros. The next one, cost of equity, is about risk-free in here plus about market risk premium multiplied with beta. So we got about 3% plus 8% multiplied with 1.19, and we got about 12.52%. Cost of debt is about 12%. And now we can create the formula to calculate WACC. So in here we have equity divide to equity plus debt multiply with cost of equity, and we have plus again. Now this is about debt. Equity plus debt multiply with cost of debt and multiply with 1 minus tax rate. So we put the number in here. This is the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.